Hello, this is Skywarp's Hangar, and today we have a bonus video with
Charlotte.
Alright, and what do you have?
I got a Pokemon cards pack.
Alright, nice! You gotta bring it back just a little bit so they can see it. Alright. There, let me move that.
There
Alright, there you go.
Now you can see
you
it.
ready to open them?
Yep.
Awesome. Go at it. Just be careful.
Yep. Is it okay if I get
Yeah, it's fine. Just be careful with your fingers there. Don't want you get a paper cut or anything.
Yep.
You should be able to just lift the plastic on there now. Alright. You good?
I think.
Need some help?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Whoops!
It just landed out.
There you go. You want to take those out?
Yep.
Ooh, it's a code.
And
Just be careful with the cards. Don't bend them up.
on there we go.
So, what'd you get there?
I got a Litten.
It's a Kitty Mew Mew.
Uh,
It's a Litten.
yeah, Litten.
Ah, nice.
It's cute.
Yeah, it
And it's shimmery and orange.
Sparkly. We
Yeah.
like sparklies.
Yeah.
All right. What card did you get?
I got Pikachu.
Pika Pika.
It looks so cute.
Pikachu. Excuse me.
And also, okay.
Just show it off to 'em.
And here is the code
If anybody wants it.
if anybody wants it.
What is that for? Raichu? Yep.
Yep.
All right. Then we.
Yeah.
And you just throw it over there. All right. What's the other card you got there?
I got Raichu.
Raichu. Wonder if they're gonna make a wrong chew. Very nice card, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Ooh, and also I see it shimmers.
It's a very special card.
Yeah.
And if I'm not, wait, what? That's it? Yeah. Wait, I don't know if that's a special or not. Like complete special.
It's confusing.
Yeah, it's rare.
Ooh, really?
Yeah.
Cool.
There's a star next to it. There's a star next to it. But it's not a star rare.
Huh?
In other words, I think you can get that out of a regular pack of some type. I forgot which one. But okay, want to move on to the pack?
Yep.
Yeah, you want some scissors just in case?
Yep.
Just make sure you don't cut your cards.
Yeah.
Be very careful. Be very careful.
There we go. Making a little cut and then
very smart.
opening it up.
Oh wow, that's pretty nifty. Just a little nit, huh?
Yep. Oh, and there's another one.
Yeah. All right, you want to show it?
Sure. And here is another code.
Whoop. Good. Gotta hold it back some. All right, there we go.
There we go.
All right.
Here's the code.
Sweet. Rip it up. Ninja. All right, now
And
let's
now?
see what you got. You got to show them in front of the camera. Put it back. All right.
I don't know how you say the name.
Helioptile.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Helioptile.
Yeah. Okay.
And
Oh, here you go. Yep. Just hold them in front of the
and
camera.
also Meow.
Yay! Ooh, what do you get next? What is that? Nidoran?
Nidoran.
Yeah.
And it has the thing pointing that way.
Yep, that means it's a male.
Ah. Ooh, cool.
Larvitar.
It looks like he's in pants.
It looks like the Godzilla character, or the Kaiju character created in, what was that? Was that the Island of Monsters? Yeah, he creates a character that has that,
background?
yeah, that pattern on it. Keep going. I'm sorry. I digress. Psyduck.
Yeah. And
Ooh, Absol. Nice. That's a reverse shiny too.
ooh.
Yeah. Very nice. Ooh, great. It's a Lapras.
Galapras.
Yeah, Lapras.
And energy.
Running Lapras around you. Yes, dark energy.
And also ooh.
Evolution of Litten Torcat.
Ooh.
Yep.
I like it.
Yeah. Brock's Grits. You got Brock's breakfast.
And
Communication is key. Is that all? All right.
Yep.
Awesome. Cool pics.